If your Subaru Impreza CarPlay screen suddenly went completely pitch black, you can usually fix it yourself in less than 5 minutes. Data shows that nearly 80% of these black screen issues stem from simple software glitch or worn-out lightning cables. Before you take your car to a dealership and pay a diagnostic fee, let's try a hard reboot of the system. Hold down both the volume and tune knobs for 15 seconds until the Starlink boot screen forces the system to restart. If the reset fails, the issue is almost always a worn cable or pocket lint packed deep inside your phone's charging port. You should also check your iPhone settings to ensure that CarPlay hasn't been accidentally restricted under your privacy options. If your backup camera still displays when you shift into reverse, your screen is fine and it is definitely a software glitch. Over half of all Impreza owners solve this exact issue using the simple two-knob system reset method. If you decide to clean your phone port, use a wooden toothpick carefully so you do not damage the sensitive gold pins inside. Always keep an original, certified Apple cable in your glove box, specifically for connecting to your vehicle. Technicians note that keeping your car's firmware updated is the best way to prevent future communication dropouts. If these steps worked for your Impreza, subscribe to the channel for more quick, real-world automotive tech fixes.